Welcome to a visual journey, where each frame unfolds a story woven into the fabric of nature. In the heart of the forest, mushrooms emerge like enchanting sentinels, dotting the woodland floor with their whimsical caps. Bromeliads, nestled amidst emerald foliage, cradle the essence of the forest, their vibrant hues adding a painter's touch to the green canvas. Raindrops delicately cling to moss-covered stones, a testament to nature's delicate choreography. As our gaze lowers to the forest floor, quartz crystals emerge like scattered stardust, revealing the geological poetry written in the soil. Our journey takes us to the mysterious depths of gigantic caverns and caves, where ancient stories echo in the darkness, revealing the Earth's timeless secrets. Amidst the shadows, a woman finds solace in meditation, positioned before a waterfall that whispers tranquility, merging with the rhythmic heartbeat of nature. Each photo, a chapter, together, they compose a symphony of nature's wonders, a testament to the harmony between the tangible and the ethereal, inviting you to embark on a timeless odyssey through the visual marvels of our world.